Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft error code. Error. Make sure you are online. It's easy if you want to fix it. Type your background apps. Make sure to disable this option and then close it. Go to CMD. Right click on it, run as administrator, click yes. First thing to do here, type ipconfig//dns, click enter, and then type niche windsock reset, windsock reset, and click enter, and that's it. Now once you're here, go to view network connections, and now just select your connection here. I'm using the internet cable, that's why I will select this one, internet. Now just double click on it and then go to properties. After that, go to this one, protocol internet version 4, click use following DNS and make it like that, 888, and enable this one and then click OK and OK again, and that's it. I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.